Hey, good morning, guys. I wanted to come to you this morning to give you another wellness tip on using O2 drops. Now, yesterday, ladies, I said for anti-aging, for great skin clarity and complexion, use O2 drops on your face. I've already done that this morning, but do not neglect this. And that would be putting O2 drops in your eyes. What? You can use O2 drops in your eyes, Bunmi? Of course. These drops are pH balanced, safe enough for the eyes, safe enough for babies. Why would you put them in the eyes? You want to oxygenate the cells in your eyes as well. And people are reporting some great eye testimonies, from decreasing floaters to decreasing pressure to clear vision to having well, you're not supposed to name certain illnesses in this industry, but people who have eye pressure wellness issues, let me just say that, like glaucoma, like cataracts, people who have those issues are reporting improvement in their condition from using O2 drops. People who have spent $150 on eye drops from the eye doctor have reported getting better results with O2 drops. So while you are using O2 drops to help your skin to be healthier, to help your complexion to be clearer, I want you to make sure you put the drops in your eyes. And if you're like a lot of people, you could potentially see some amazing, amazing results in your eye wellness. We have people who say, I can drive at night again. We have people who say, I don't need to use my glasses as much as I did before. We have people who, well, I tell you what, go to YouTube, type in O2 drops eye testimonies, and you will hear some of the most amazing testimonies, and you'll be like, what? Those drops do that? Guys, if you want to get a sample, get back to the person who shared this video with you, or you can get the sample from me. I'll leave it in the description or the comments below. But yeah, O2 drops are the bomb. Research cell oxygenation and learn more about the power of oxygen.